Hey everybody, Dustin here from OCD, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and protection company. And we have a really awesome project here. I want to show you what the project came out to. This is a 2004 Maserati GranSport V8. There was 2,500 of these guys made, and customer brought it into us and it needed a whole ton of work done. So let me flip it around and I'll show you what we did and kind of talk to you through this project of what we got done. So the customer brought this one in. They actually are from the Bay Area, so they drove all the way down from the Bay just to have us do this. We've done about 4 or 5 cars for this customer now when he comes to town. So this one was really unique. It had pretty low miles for what the car was, but we actually removed and redid the whole front end PPF. So this whole fender, bumper, bottom lip, and then hood, headlights, near cabs. Super seamless install. We want this to not look like there's film on there, but help with all the road rash and all the things the front end of this vehicle could get because of how low profile and slanted this front end is compared to, most cars. That's like right under where some people's bumpers are, especially for bigger vehicles. So got all the PPF done. We got our full chemical decon and paint correction done. We ended up stripping the old tint, redoing it in the high tier crystalline tint from 3M. So it's nice because you can still see right through it. You're not making it too dark to not see anything, but you get that high heat, UV, infrared reduction. And it just has like a really nice look to it. With these cars, you don't want to go too dark on the tint, but you want to get some of that privacy and some of that performance out of it. So once we got all that done, we went through, did an interior detail on this thing, really refresh the inside, get it dialed in for the customer. And then we locked all of this work in with our really strong self-healing 5-year ceramic coating on the wheels, metal ceramic coating, glass specific ceramic coating. And then we had our dent repair person come in too. So we're not just correcting and detailing this car. We're coming in with really good contractors, really good film and dent guys and window guys that we can have this customer entrust us with this type of project to get all this work done on a high caliber level and really transform this car for a customer. So we are not just your standard detail shop. We can go the full 9 of getting a lot of different projects done. So if you have a new car, a used car, a classic car, something that means something to you, we are here to take care of you. And no matter what that is, we're gonna do it at a high caliber level. If you'd like to learn about more services, what we can do for your car, give us a call today, click that link below, and we can't wait to work with you.